In this video, an absolute gorgeous little number of a kind of a floral gin cocktail, hints of strawberry in there. It is gorgeous. Welcome back, gin fans. Today, as I just said, we are rocking out the gin cocktails. I'll talk to you a bit about the gin that I'm using in a second when I go through the ingredients. This cocktail, oh my God, it is absolutely, I really, really like that. I'm not, gin cocktails are not my out and out favourites. I'm more of a rum and that. But this is gorgeous. Big shout out to Georgina. She won this week for this one. She's called it Summer Lovin', and I'll give it a due. That is exactly what this is. This is Summer Lovin'. She's tamed her names down for this one. Also, notable notes go to Trevor, Royal Sovereign. Very clever, Trevor. Royal Sovereign's actually a good big UK brand of strawberries, if you didn't know that. And Andy has called it a wild flower. But Summer Lovin', I like that. I like that name. That suits it perfectly. The gin comes through, but not too much because I'll talk you why in a second. Hibiscus, strawberry notes. You could, I'll be honest, some of you might want to dial that lemon juice just down slightly in the recipe that's coming up in a second. But for me, that is bang on perfect. Right, let's quickly run you through the ingredients for this. Mentioned the gin. I'm going to be using this Old Tom gin. I just wanted to, the difference between Old Tom, I'm not going to go into massive in depth, but Old Tom is the bridge between bone dry London dry gins and the Dutch Genever gins, which are a bit sweeter. Not to be confused with gin liqueurs. It's far from gin liqueurs. But Old Tom, I just love it. And this one especially because it's kind of sweetened with like little mango notes in there as well. It's not a mango gin. It's just got a subtle hint. So I do really like this as an Old Tom gin. Absolutely cracking. I've got my strawberry liqueur there, complete with porous, so the little strawberries don't come out. I've got some hibiscus syrup, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I've got some foamers. We're going to have a little foamer for this. So, really simple, this one. I'm going for 60ml double bubble of our gin. As I say, you could do London Dry if you really wanted to. It's not a problem. I just didn't want a feisty juniper notes for this. I just wanted kind of a little bit of juniper coming through. So that's why we did that. I'm going for 15ml of my strawberry liqueur. So half an ounce of that lovely strawberry liqueur there. I'm going for 15ml, half an ounce of hibiscus syrup. So again, 15ml. Oh, it's going to be really floral. Love this. I'm going for 30ml of lemon juice, just to kind of balance it out. You can dial it back down if you want a little bit, but I just think that's perfect there. It's better. 30ml of lemon juice. I was thinking, what's missing? There we go. And then just my my foamers. You see me do this on a live a few weeks ago now. These do work quite well. Just 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kind of same as egg white replacements. 600 cocktails this little bottle does. So I'll link to that in the show description. Down there. And then just icing this up. That is essentially it. So ice and good old welly, 10 to 12 seconds. Get it proper cold. Right, there we go. Notice I didn't dry shake that again. I flip in between dry shaking and not dry shaking. I don't think it actually makes too much difference, to be honest, but I need to do a conclusive experiment on that. So, there we go. Just going to double strain this into my little Nicanora glass. Oh, it looks all proper, doesn't it? See, look at that. See, it's all proper. Proper. There we go. Bang on perfect. There's a tiny few little drips left in there. Few little drips. There we go. Lovely. Pop that down there. And then just to garnish, I've got one ready. Strawberry. Popping up on screen right there will be even more gin cocktails for you to dive into, so go and check them out. As always, big old like, big old thumbs up please if you like this, and if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.